Good afternoon, friends. I am still in Macedonia. It is already the 4th day. We are assembling our joint project with the company Zelengrad. We are assembling a solar boat.
It is equally important for me to help in the construction of the 6-meter boat and to be a national partner in North Macedonia. This is one of the best projects I have participated in, so both the physical work and communication with people come easily to me. Together with our partners, showcasing our Slavyanka technology, the possibility of its application on watercraft.
As it turns out, many know him from webinars. And I was absolutely quite surprised because I truly actually saw that Vasko Popovski can indeed also work with his hands. He helped with painting, cutting with a saw, and assisting in various tasks, and tightening nuts, screws, and washers.
As you can see, today we are on land on a trailer with a traditional Ohrid boat that was specially made for the resource motor testing project. This boat, in its current form, is an extremely sturdy, reliable and durable metal boat that our craftsmen and skilled artisans, our people, primarily fishermen, began to carefully and meticulously develop with great care and precision somewhere after World War II. Before that, there were wooden boats, crafted with precision and expertise. Their predecessors are Dutch boats.
Today we are assisted by Captain Goran. We have known him for just 3 years now. And today he was checking if everything was done correctly.
To give you a better understanding, this is practically considered a Type 2 swimming zone, which is a classification where the waves, which are the undulating movements of the water, can rise up to a height of 2 meters, equivalent to approximately 6.56 feet. This means that the boat is quite stable in the water, very reliable in terms of performance, and very easy to operate due to its simple and straightforward design. The structure of the boat is uncomplicated and does not require.
The motor is installed, the canopy is in place, and the floors are laid. The permit allows our solar boat to safely launch into the water and, of course, to safely navigate on it. To safely take tourists, we will also need to obtain a license. But the most important thing here is the boat's registration numbers.
I invited partners, investors, and others interested to meet on the shores of Lake Ohrid. Launch the boat into the water and take a ride on it. We will show the Mayor of Ohrid and the authorities of North Macedonia the capabilities of the electric motor. We must prevent lake pollution from internal combustion engines. Thank you all very much, and see you at the trials.
Thank you for following us. Until we meet again. Goodbye.